Wala na umanong koneksyon si Office of the Vice President Spokesperson Attorney Ruth Castelo sa kanyang dating kliyenteng negosyanteng si Charlie Atong Ang. Nagsilbi si Attorney Castelo bilang abogado ni Ang mula 2007 hanggang 2009 o sa panahon kung kailan sinampahan ito ng kasong plunder. At ngayong iniugnay si Ang sa pagkawala at pagpaslang umano sa 34 na sabungero. Sinabi ni OBP spokesperson na labas na siya sa issue.
As soon as he was released from Bikutan in 2009, that was the end of our lawyer-client relationship. We remained friends, yes, but his own activities, his endeavors, his own businesses, I had nothing to do with anymore. I have nothing to do with. No, I'm not involved.